Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a very practical topic for developers: how to send emails using Java and SMTP. We'll walk through how to send emails using Java, how to choose the right library, and how to pick the best SMTP service for your implementation. We'll explore a few powerful libraries and methods, including Jakarta Email, Java Spring Mail, Apache Commons Email, Simple JavaMail. So, without wasting any more time, let's gear up and get right in. When sending emails from applications or websites, developers typically have two options. You've got the traditional SMTP and the modern email APIs provided by ESPs, email service providers. Both are used to deliver emails, sure, but they're quite different when it comes to implementation and use cases. SMTP has been the foundation of email communication since the 1980s. It works through a connection between the sender's email client app, one or more intermediate SMTP servers, and the recipient's SMTP server. The upside of SMTP is that it is widely adopted and very easy to implement, test, and troubleshoot. Another option is using an HTTP API offered by one of the email service providers' ESPs. This will be your choice if you need high sending speed up from thousands of emails per hour, or advanced features like variable substitution or delivery tracking, which you do not want to implement on your own. This video focuses on using SMTP as the most common scenario. Using an SMTP server connection provided by UniOne for any other server, the code will be the same, just with different login credentials. In case you need HTTP API options, please consult the provider's documentation. But before we even start, let's make sure you have everything you'll need. Firsthand, you need to create a UniOne account and write down your login credentials. To get started with UniOne, follow these steps. Create a free UniOne account. Once you sign up, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Second step, verify your sender domain. You can find instructions on how to do this in our documentation. See link in the description. Next, get your SMTP credentials. In UniOne, these include your username user ID, found at the top left of your dashboard. Your password API key, located under Account in the security page in the left-hand menu. Finally, test your connection using UniOne's dedicated SMTP debug tool. Go to smtpdebug.com and follow the instructions. With your SMTP credentials at hand, we're finally ready to start coding. Now let's get into the libraries. In this part, we're going to explore the most popular ways to send emails from Java using plain old SMTP. And yes, we'll see actual working code, so stay tuned. You can also find this guide on our blog, where you can easily copy the code and use it in your own project. You can find the link to it in the description. First up, Jakarta Mail, formerly known as JavaMail. This one's powerful. It supports SMTP, IMAP, and POP, and is a great fit if you're building enterprise-grade apps. Here's what it brings to the table. Full Jakarta EE integration, text, HTML, and multipart support, TLS, SSL encryption. Attachments, async sending, even OAuth 2. Sounds solid? Let's set it up. You can download it from GitHub, or better, just use Maven or Gradle. For Maven, create your folder, open a terminal and run mvn archetype generate. Once it's done, your pom.xml will look something like this. Or you can use Gradle. Just run Gradle init. Then go to your build.gradle file and add this code. Next step, sending the actual email. You can use UniOne for your SMTP host or any other provider you like. Navigate to app.java and use this code. To run it, just use this command for Maven. For Gradle, if you use Mac or Linux, type this command. If you prefer Windows, the command is the following. And that's how you get started with Jakarta Mail in Java. Next library is Spring Mail. If you're working with Spring Boot, sending emails can be incredibly straightforward using Spring Mail. I'll walk you through how to set it up and send plain text emails. Let's start by generating a new project. Open your terminal and run this command. If you prefer the web, head over to Spring Initializer web tool and include the JavaMail dependency. Now let's create an email service. Rename your main class if needed. I'm calling mine emailsending.java. Then drop in this code. Now configure your SMTP credentials in application.properties file. Here's the setup for UniOne. Last step. Let's launch the app and send our first email. Use this code in the send email application.java file. At this step, you're all set. Just run the command mvn spring boot, run, and boom, Your Java Spring Boot app is now sending emails via Uni1. Clean, easy, and production ready. Now, let's talk Apache Commons email. A lightweight wrapper over Jakarta Mail that gets the job done with less code. Why use it? It's got a simpler API than Jakarta Mail. Support for HTML attachments and inline images. Works great for sending emails without boilerplate. Pick one of the two versions, JavaX or Jakarta. In your pom.xml file, add this code. This will also include the Commons email to core module behind the scenes. Here's how to send a plain text email with SMTP settings using Uni1. Want to send HTML instead? Just swap setMessage with setHTMLMessage. That's it. Apache Commons email makes sending Java emails easy. No tedious setup, just results. And finally, library number 4. Looking for the cleanest way to send emails in Java? Let's talk simple JavaMail. Minimalistic setup, clear code, perfect for smaller projects. Why simple JavaMail? Here's what it gives you. Fluent, readable API, HTML plus inline images, attachments, DKIM signing, SSL TLS support, multiple recipients. To add the dependency, drop this code into your pom.xml file if you're using Maven. Or for Gradle, use this line. Now let's learn how to send your first email. Here's a basic example. Super clean. For HTML, just switch with plain text to with HTML text. Simple JavaMail makes email sending actually simple. Try it out and let us know in the comments how it goes. Once you have integrated email functionality into your Java application, the next step is testing. Here's a guide to help you through it. Step 1. Basic testing. To test email sending in a local environment, set up a local SMTP server. This can be done using either production-grade server software like Exim or Postfix, or by using a fake SMTP server that allows you to capture and inspect outgoing emails without sending them to real recipients. Some popular tools for this are SMTP for Dev, a lightweight SMTP server for development use, and SMTP Bucket, a service that provides a fake SMTP server for catching emails. These tools allow you to check the email before it's sent. Inspect SMTP communication. Test without sending real emails. Step 2. For more complex testing scenarios, particularly in CI/CD pipelines, consider using email testing services. These services provide virtual inboxes, detailed analytics on deliverability, open rates, and engagement. Tools for simulating a production environment to ensure your emails reach their destination as intended. Uni1 provides email testing tools that integrate well with your development environment to ensure reliable testing in real-world conditions. If you want to streamline email functionality with a robust API, Uni1 offers a dedicated email API that simplifies integration and testing. It provides a single interface to manage all your email needs, from sending transactional emails to handling high volumes. If you prefer the basic SMTP approach, as shown in the examples above, Uni1's SMTP service offers a reliable way to send emails from your Java application, providing advanced features for better deliverability and security. Plus, with Uni1 you get 24/7 support and a free trial to get started quickly and confidently. This tutorial has outlined the basics of email testing and provided insight into the best practices and tools available. For Java developers, libraries like Jakarta Mail and Spring Mail are great for simple scenarios, while Uni1 offers an excellent solution for handling complex email workflows and high volumes. Remember, the focus should always be on security. Make sure your emails are sent securely. Reliability. Ensure your email system works consistently across environments. Maintainability. Keep your email code easy to manage and scale. See you in our next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.